How can a snake fly without any wings?
Hoop, hoop. Maybe it's a master of martial arts.
The trees are definitely taller and denser here.
There's a flying snake in this place? Wouldn't it be hard to fly here?
The frog is!
Flying.
Where? I don't see anything.
The lizard is!
Flying.
Huh? Stop it! Are you guys just messing with me?
No, we're not! They were really flying! Look up there!
The frog is really flying. I know what's going on. A dense forest, tall trees, with gliding frogs and leaping lizards everywhere. And then we have snakes that like to eat frogs and lizards. I now know how a snake with no wings can fly high in the sky. It flies by leaping from a tall tree to another tree across from it. Let's go up to try and find a snake.
There's one.
You're the flying snake, aren't you?
Who are you guys? Move it! You're in my way! Hey, Froggy, you think if you fly I can't catch you?
Wow! The snake can really fly! Now the mystery is solved! The unidentified flying object in the photo was the flying snake. It can fly by leaping off a branch of a tree. It flattens its round body and cuts through the air. The flying snake can fly as far as 100 meters. Flying frogs and flying lizards also flatten their bodies to fly through the air. But above a flying frog is a flying snake. The mystery is solved!